Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Firstly, you can hold your search bar, wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, tap on it and select Remove in Remove Search Widget pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. You can also pinch your device's screen instead. Hold your search bar and drag it to Remove area at the top right corner. When the search bar is red, let go. Then tap on the Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!